So as of now, like, my hair is horrendous. It needs a major trim. The method that I will be following will be that of fusion of cultures. She did a trimming video and I'm just like, yo, I like the way she did it. I think I could copy her technique. Obviously she said do it at your own discretion, and I'm planning on taking that risk. I was reading her comments and people in the comment section were saying how she should do smaller sections, but honestly I think you should just do what works for you. People just like to talk too much, and if something's working for you, keep on doing you. I have a mirror behind me. Yeah, I need to like cut off all this. That's a lot. Okay, so I decided to pause. I basically stopped what I'm doing because I'm freaking scared. I've never trimmed my hair like this. Maybe I should just trim the way I know how to trim. But I feel like being risky. I'm about to do this. Why am I sweating? Like, what the hell? Like, it's just hair. It will grow back, obviously, but I don't know. Like, the way she cut her hair was like such a badass. Wait, hold on. Okay, I did this wrong. Okay. Okay, ready? So she was like, bam, bam. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so she went, boom, 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 boom. That. Did I get it? Something like that. Maybe my parting isn't as bomb as hers, but still. And then you pin it inward. Okay, so she's combing it out. She goes all special like that. Oh god. She combs it out and she splits it like two, like, but she's like bam. Okay. She takes on, puts it here. Yo, how'd she do that so? And then she, oh god, no. She brings it down. Okay. Girl, it's let me get my life together. Okay. She cuts it like it's nobody's business. And then she does the same to the other side. It'll be a long ass video. Yeah? Yeah, why not? She goes like this. Is this a lot to cut? I don't know why I'm asking the camera. Okay. I'm cutting this much off. Yo, it's happening. It's happening. Oh! Yo, we're doing it. Bam. Oh shoot. It's here. It's here. Okay. And we went. Holy. I did it. I did it. Superwoman. Okay, now what? Okay, she takes them out. Oh shit. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Oh, I don't like that. Okay. Okay. Now what? Okay. I'm gonna take this and even it out. Yeah. Oh, now I'm getting scissor happy, yo. I think I'm cutting it wrong. But like, I kind of want something blunt. Oh. Oh, look at my ends. Who cares? I don't really care if I mess up on cutting my hair, because at the end of the day, I'm never gonna straighten my hair. I did it one time, got serious heat damage, and I'm just like, you know what? Who cares? If I'm never gonna straighten my hair, I could cut my hair any way I want to. Because when you wear it in these like fro styles, your hair's going in so many directions, so it doesn't matter. Did that. Holy crap. But you know what? It looks better. No? Does it not? Someone tell me it looks better. Okay, so now I feel like a total badass and I could take on the world. What else? So basically she takes this part and then she just goes up. I don't know about that one. I think I might just, okay, let me back up. I think I might go to the top. Okay, no, half it. This is too much to do. Or, no. Oh man, stress. I think I might do it this way. Half here. Half here. Okay, now I'm realizing I have a lot of hair. Okay, so we put this away. We tuck this here. Back. Now we do these two. Guys, I am not a hairstylist. Please do not follow me and my terrible ways. She makes the video look flawless, but like I'm gonna show you the real thing. I'm gonna show you what goes on behind the scenes, because I know I do not look flawless. Okay, this seems good. This seems practical. This is probably the worst method possible to use, and the stylist is probably on here watching me and be like, yo, this girl. But I'm not telling you guys to follow my ways. I'm just telling you guys to like watch this video. Yeah? Yeah? No, you need to come down a bit more. Yeah? It's better to cut less, so then you could see if you made a mistake. Yeah, this is good. Honestly, goodbye bad ends. Boom. Boom. Okay, now we see what is left. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Anything else you wanna trim off? Let's go. Well, I'm doing like a full-on trim. I'm getting scissor happy out here. Oh yeah. Shoot, man. I forgot my technique. What technique? I don't know what I was doing. Oh, frick! Oh! Okay, whatever. My ends are already looking better though. Okay. Next, got big ting up here. Big ting, big ting. Okay. Whoa, almost fell off my chair. We back it up, back it up, back it up. Okay. So now, I'm gonna do this one halfway. Comb it out. Comb it, comb it. Comb it out. And then we comb out the next chair. Comb it out. Comb it out. Comb it out. And then we comb it out all together. Oh my god. My arms are tired. Okay. Okay. Yo, I feel like a pro. I feel like a real G out here, you know what I'm saying? Aww. Need better scissors. I don't think you're supposed to cut your hair back this way. But see over here on the floor. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Your girl is tired. But we got this. Okay. Now the front. Yo, what she do for the front? Have the front, and she did something like, yo, my roots, I'm telling you, my roots are so thick. Okay, back it up like this, back it up. Oh, that was a nice, that was a pretty nice party right there. Okay. So you put it there. Like, look at those ends. I'm gonna come for you. I'm gonna come for you. Okay. Let's comb it. Okay. Oh. You know, I'm getting cocky. And the minute you get cocky with these cuts, they come and cut you back. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, because I'm never gonna straighten my hair, I have no desire to straighten my hair. I don't know why people with curly hair want to straighten their hair so bad. But like, I could go the rest of my life without straightening my hair. I'll just buy a wig or something. Like, goddamn. Okay. Yeah. Let me come up close. See that? See these ends? See these little devil ends? You just take your thing and you go. And you go. Watch out. Like that, like that. I feel like I'm not supposed to be cutting straight across or something. I don't know. Don't care. That's why I said do not follow me. You take it and you go one. I have no idea how much inches I'm cutting. But like, the more you do it, the more fun you have. Next part. Yo, what if I cut myself some bangs? Will I like just go chum? Oh, I don't think I was supposed to comb those away. Okay, they're right here. They're right here. Okay, yeah, keep that. We'll keep that one here, but for now, we cut this side. Cut. Whoa, like, how does it feel? I'm going. Pretty much feels the same way throughout. There's not much I can really do or say. Look at your girl. She went out here saving money, didn't have to go to no salon. Thank you, Fusion of Cultures. You are my favorite YouTuber. I've been with you since day one. I hope you watch this video and have a good laugh. Like, guys, I did this. I don't know if I'll use this method again, but I did this. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. And just have a blessed day. Yes, because my ends feel blessed. You shall be blessed also. Bye. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been people what you bringing to the